Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Google Lock FRP from Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. I'm gonna test it on A536B, which has Exynos 1280. Follow from start to finish, don't skip any part, and it will work out for you. So let's go to SM-A536 Tool so we can check which firmware is supported. If it is on 4th of May 2026 and lower, it will work. So it means that in this case it will work up to bit L, but bit M and bit N will not be supported. Okay, let's go through with the steps now. We're gonna need to go to the google.com over here so we can access the tool that we're gonna need. On the search bar, you need to write TSM Tool Pro and open the first result. Okay, so once it loads, you will see on the top left, click on main, the three lines, and click on drivers and library. Okay, so go to that one, tap on download option for the Microsoft library and tool, and select your Visual C++ version. In my case, it is 64-bit. Tap on that one, click on download, and save it somewhere on your computer. I'm gonna save it on my downloads because it is easy for me to find. Once it is downloaded, go inside the folder and extract the file. I'm gonna use WinRAR to extract it. So right click on it, go to the WinRAR and then extract to Microsoft Visual C++. Go to the folder extracted. There is another folder over here, so you need to access it. AMD64, force copy, SV pack, and there is this installation file. Double click on it and the Microsoft Visual C++ will start installing. So this might take 5 to 10 minutes, but in order for the video not to be very long, I'm gonna speed up this process. Okay, so it is needed, so you need to do this one. It is needed for the process to work. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna download the TSM tool. So let's go back to the TSM website, click on the three lines and then tap on the download option. We're gonna choose the first version, so it is important to choose this one, and pick one of the servers. I'm gonna pick Mega Download because mega.nz, it is fast and it is never offline. Tap on the download over here, click OK, got it, and the process will start fast. It might take a few minutes to download, but depending on the computer speed, in my case it is very fast. Once it is downloaded, go inside the folder and we will have the installation file. Double click on it, click on yes, so we can accept to continue with the installation. Next, create a desktop shortcut. It is important for you so you can find it easily, and then tap on finish to run the application. Okay, so this is the main login screen of the tool. It is a paid tool, so it means that you will need to buy it for 1 year or so. But if you have only one device, you can just rent it on elval.company.site. I did same thing and now I'm signing in. Okay, perfect. So it will take a couple of seconds to load, and this is the main screen, the main interface. What you need to do right now is you need to connect the phone into normal mode. So just turn it on normally and plug the phone. On the base over here, you need to write Samsung. Tap on Samsung and the general tasks over here, click on it and then change CSC MTP mode. Tap on start. Okay, so once you do that, we're gonna have to change the CSC to the XAA. So it is an important step to do. So like I told you, don't skip any part of it. XAA, it is over here, but if you don't find it, you can just type it manually. XAA and then hit continue. Okay, the process will not take long, maybe 1 minute or two, and the software will convert the phone from the previous CSC to XAA CSC. Okay, the next thing that we need to kind of do is we're gonna put the phone into download mode. So to do that, we're gonna have to download the tool. The link is this one, tinyurl.com/help-tool. It will lead you to a Google Drive. We have a download option on the top left over here. Tap on download and it is a small application. So just click start, it will be downloaded instantly. Let's go inside the folder, right click on it, and then with WinRAR, I'm gonna extract the folder over here. So this is a free tool, so you can just open it. We have the key over there. So if you need the key, you can just open it, copy the key, and you will have it ready. Open the lviralshop.exe, okay, and over here we're gonna select one option, the third one, that's download mode. So just click on download mode. Wait 1 second, it's freezing. Okay, click on download mode, and what this will do is it will force the phone into download mode. This is the state that we're gonna use for the next steps. Okay, let's go back to the TSM Tool Pro over here. We're gonna go again on base and we're gonna write Exynos. Okay, we're gonna select auto detect over here and then click remove FRP, download plus ADB. In my case, it is bit H, but it will work up to bit L. I have tested, but I couldn't make a recording of that device. This process might take about 5 to 7 minutes, but in order for the video not to be very long, I'm gonna speed up the process. If you do it properly, you should see same thing like I'm doing right now. At the end, on the bottom, you should see starting FRP, removal via ADB, okay, removing FRP, okay, FRP wipe to, okay, and the device will reboot. Okay, so that's it.